on the bottom of it. You see the white? Oh, that's the touchdown of the tornado.
I saw tornadoes ravaging many places in Texas, and they have followed vain idols. And so the Lord will send his judgment to Texas to rule the weather. Climatic conditions will change in Texas starting from this year. There will be
More than 100 homes were damaged Monday afternoon after a tornado ripped through Harris County, Texas. Drone video of the destruction